Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm gonna show you unicorn makeup or rainbow makeup. As you can see, I already prepped my skin and put my base. Yeah, so let's get started with the eyes. I'm gonna put simple shadows on my eye. I will put something under the eyes. It's a little different, so yeah. So I'm gonna start with this palette from Detail Cosmetics. It's the Egyptian Desert. So I'm gonna start with this papyrus over here, and then I'm gonna blend that on my crease. Now, after that, I'm gonna put shimmer on the center of my eyelids. This Blight Starlight Eyes in the shade Cassiopeia. It's like glitter pink, something like that. And then I'm gonna set that with a highlighter as well. It's from Lustrous BYS in the shade Cassiopeia as well. So I'm gonna set the glitter on my eyelids. Like that. Now, I'm gonna proceed on the under eyes. I'm gonna dust off the powder under my eyes. So, it's a rainbow eyes. I'm gonna start with the purple in the outside corner of the under eyes using this color board by Beauty Glaze. So I'm gonna use this one, yeah, I'm gonna use that. It's a matte eyeshadow, by the way. I'm gonna use a little more dense brush. So I'm gonna use this contour brush on the outside corner of my left eye. I'm gonna start here under the eyes, and then dragging that onto my cheeks. Okay, now with the blue one, and then I'm gonna get blue eyeshadow. Where's the blue eyeshadow? Right here. I'm gonna apply this blue one here next to the purple shadow. So next color is green. So I'm gonna apply this color right here, green, using the back side of the brush that I use with the blue one. Okay, next is yellow. In the same, what do you call this, color board, I'm gonna use this yellow right here. And then orange. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna use this orange right here. This one. And then finally, red. So I'm gonna use this one right here. That's it. And then now I'm gonna clean up. I'm so sorry if the mirror is blocking the things that I'm doing, but basically I'm just wiping the excess shadows on my cheeks just to clean it up, and then putting a concealer just to conceal everything that I messed up. And I go through all the shadows just to blend all the shadows from the cheeks, the one that I conceal and messed up. So yeah. Perfect. Now let's go back with the purple, and then glitter, na. I'm gonna put this glitter fix primer from BYS. And this BYS glitter. So the mirror is blocking the things that I am doing again. So yes, I already apply a glitter adhesive onto my cheeks, and then applying the glitters from BYS. That's what I'm doing right now. So yeah. Okay. Now that's done, I'm gonna put something on the other side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Then blue and green, yellow, orange, and then red. Like that. Okay. Good. Now I'm gonna line my eyes using this Beauty Glade eyeliner. Now for the brows, I'm gonna paint, not rainbow brows. I'm just gonna put some purple and blues at the end. I'm gonna start with the purple. Okay, now I'm going to put eyelashes, fake lashes. Use this Gush from Polish, using this adhesive from Kiss. Okay, I'm gonna let that glue dry, and then I'm gonna contour my nose using this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. Now I'm gonna highlight using this Sculpt and Glow from BYS. Then I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Now I'm gonna put blush. I'm gonna use this one. This pink one. We're almost done, so I'm gonna put mascara and tight line. I'm gonna use this Fashion 21 black mascara. Then I'm gonna tight line. I should have tight line first. But yeah. I'm gonna use this BYS glitter and liner duo. I'm gonna use the black side. Now for the lips, I'm gonna use this Caroline matte liquid lipstick in the shade Gotta Go. I'm gonna let that sit for a few seconds and then put a red lipstick on the middle part. Now I'm gonna use this Blight Cloud Tint in the shade Mist. So I'm gonna use that on the center of my lips, just a little. Now we will put gloss. So I'm gonna use this Dandelion Benefit from Benefit. Now we're finished. I'm just gonna fix my hair and then I'm gonna proceed with the montage. Hi! So this is the finished look. It's the Unicorn Queen. So hope you like this look, and if you recreate this, please tag me on my socials. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye!